Hi, my name is Sarah, and now I want to tell you about a fairy tale with title The Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Most of us remember and cherish Cinderella is our most favorite character. There are many more fabulous and caressing fairy tales featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable and caressing imaginary characters who live forever in everyone's hearts. One such a beautiful, attractive girl is a Princess Rose, and the Princess Rose and the Golden Bird is the one of the unforgettable fairy tale. The tale about the Princess Rose is here. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had a long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the rose. She had a glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evening. The princess and the golden bird will sing memorizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with a sweet dream. The bird will begin making the sound saying the beautiful hair of the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. While people live peacefully, the wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess and her hair turned into ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing saying the black hair of the princess. And the princess continued with the people fell asleep. None of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and she was so worried about the people in the kingdom. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her hair into a red. And the bird asked her to dip her hair into a rose water. And she did it. Surprisingly, the hair turned into beautiful red with the usual glow. Undoubtedly, everyone fell asleep hearing the lullaby and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the witch carried again and now removed all rose flowers and petals from the kingdom. The witch left the kingdom, and the princess and the golden bird live in happy ending forever. That's all of my storytelling. Thank you for watching.